Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. Since problem, here how to find radius of curvature for a given curve y equal to 2 into log of sine of x by 2 at a point x equal to pi by 3. How can you find the radius of curvature? So first of all, what is radius of curvature? So for the given function, if you draw a graph, suppose we will get a graph like this as a curve. So at a point x, this is a given point, so x equal to pi by 3. If you draw a circle which fit in the curve, for the circle from the center to this point, that radius is called as radius of curvature. Now how can you find this radius of curvature? So radius of curvature is represented with symbol rho. At first step, derivate this equation. So that is dy by dx. So here 2 is constant, keep aside. So 2 into log of some function in terms of x is there. So log of f of x. So derivative is 1 by f of x. That is 1 by f of x means this function. That is sine of x by 2. So again sine of x by 2 is a function of x. Again derivative sine x by 2. It becomes into cos x by 2. Again cos x by 2. In that x by 2 is a function of x. Again derivative we will get into 1 by 2. So 2 cancel, cos x by 2 by sin x by 2, nothing but cot x by 2. So that is dy by dx. Now again derivate this equation, we will get second derivative. So that is d square y by dx square, that's equal to, so derivative of cot x by 2 nothing but minus cosecant square x by 2. Again x by 2 is a function of x. Again derivate this, then we get 1 by 2. So it becomes minus 1 by 2 into cosecant square x by 2. Now assume that let it is a y1 and it is y2 value. Now I am going to find y1 and y2 value at a point x equal to pi by 3. That means substitute this value in this equation, we will get y1 value at this point. Substitute this x value in this equation, we will get y2 value at this point. Now I am going to substitute here. It becomes, so cot of x value is pi by 3. It becomes pi by 3 by 2, nothing but pi by 6. It's equal to root 3. Now here, so minus 1 by 2 cosecant square pi by 6. So by the calculator, we will get this value will be minus 2. So now we got y1 is root 3 and y2 we got minus 2. Now recall the standard formula for finding radius of curvature. So that is, so radius of curvature with rho, that is rho equal to 1 plus y1 square whole power of 3 by 2 upon y2. Now we have y1 and y2. Substitute these two values in this equation, we get radius of curvature. So that is, so 1 plus y1 square, that is root 3 square, nothing but 3 whole power 3 by 2 upon minus 2. So 3 plus 4, 3 plus 1, nothing but 4, that is 4 power 3 by 2 upon minus 2. So here 3 by 2 is there. So 1 by 2 nothing but root, apply root for 4, it becomes 2. For 2, apply cube, it becomes 8. That is 8 by minus 2, nothing but minus 4. So rho equal to minus 4. So this is radius of curvature for the given problem. And this is the process of simplification. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.